Canyon Sainte-Anne is incredibly beautiful, with a majestic waterfall that plunges 74 meters. There are scenic trails with stunning views and 3 suspension bridges, one that's 60 meters high, offering unique perspectives. In the fall, the surrounding area turns a vibrant mix of reds, oranges, and golds, making it even more picturesque. From Quebec City, it's just about a 40-minute drive, roughly 42 kilometers. You can easily drive there, or there's a bus option available. Once you arrive, general admission for adults is $10 plus tax, and children under 5 enter for free. There are several activities available, including the Air Canyon, a thrilling zipline experience priced at an additional $11 plus tax. Sainte-Anne is definitely a must-see destination when you're in Quebec City, offering breathtaking views and some unforgettable activities. Whether you're admiring the waterfall, crossing the suspension bridges, or soaring through the air on the Air Canyon, it's sure to be a highlight of your trip. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel videos.